In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change date on your Kobo Libra 2. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on the More button, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen, and then move to the settings. From here, go for date and time, and now in order to change the date, click on date, and now you can select the day of the month, let it be 4. You can change the month, so let's move it to March, and the year, we can move it to 2038 even. Now press set, and our date will be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.